We've learned AI and machine learning from scratch over the last 30 days. From simple algorithms to deep learning, we've built a strong foundation. And now, it's time for the grand finale, our final project, building a complete AI pipeline. In this video, we'll go step by step, from raw data to a working AI model that can understand movie reviews and predict whether they're positive or negative. So, what exactly is an AI pipeline? Think of it like a factory for data. It takes raw data, cleans and transforms it, then sends it to a machine learning model that learns patterns, tests itself, and finally makes predictions. In short, data preprocess, train, evaluate, predict. That's the life cycle of every AI system, whether it's ChatGPT, Netflix recommendations, or voice assistants. Let's begin with step 1, data preprocessing. We'll build a simple sentiment analysis model that predicts if a movie review is positive or negative. First, we collect a dataset, for example, from IMDb or Kaggle. Each row has a movie review and a label, positive or negative. Next, we clean the text, remove punctuation, convert to lowercase, remove stop words like the, is, a, tokenize, breaking sentences into words. Once the text is clean, we can't feed words directly into a model. So we convert them into numbers, using word embeddings like word2vec, glove, or TensorFlow's built-in embedding layer. These embeddings help the model understand that words like good and great have similar meanings. Now it's time for step 2, model training. We'll use a simple LSTM model, a type of recurrent neural network that's great for sequence data like text. Here's the idea. Each review becomes a sequence of numbers, word indexes. The LSTM reads the words one by one and learns the emotion behind them. Finally, it outputs 1 for positive and 0 for negative. We train the model on thousands of labeled reviews. During training, it keeps adjusting its internal weights, learning patterns that define positive or negative sentiment. After a few epochs, the model starts understanding text context, just like how humans learn tone and meaning. Step 3, evaluation and prediction. Once the model is trained, we test it on data it's never seen before. This checks if it has really learned or just memorized the training examples. We measure performance using accuracy, precision, and recall. Now, let's try a few new examples. This movie was amazing. Positive, I hated the plot. Negative, the acting was brilliant but the story was weak. Mixed, slightly negative. See? Our model can actually understand sentiment in real text. This project may seem simple, but it's the foundation for everything, from chatbots to recommendation systems. You've built your first AI model, now the possibilities are endless.